Here are 5 scary facts about our sun that will make you question everything. Number 1, the sun can affect your mind. Our sun has a powerful magnetic field that extends all the way to Earth. And get this, it's constantly sending out a stream of charged particles at 160 miles per second. These particles form a giant bubble around our planet called the magnetosphere. The magnetosphere can deflect and redirect the flow of particles from the sun. This protects us from harmful radiation and makes life on Earth possible. But the mind-blowing part, scientists have discovered that the sun's magnetic field is so strong that it actually influences the way our brains process visual information. In other words, the sun can control what you see. Number 2, the sun has a secret. Our sun is mostly made up of hydrogen and helium with a small amount of lithium. But scientists have recently discovered something strange. There's a huge amount of iron in the sun's core, like 10 times more than they expected. Now, they don't know how this happened, but they think it might be because the sun used to be part of a binary system, meaning it had a partner star. And when the 2 stars collided, the iron was created. Number 3, the sun could destroy the Earth. Every year, the sun goes through 11-year cycles of maximum and minimum activity. During maximum activity, sunspots and solar flares are more frequent, which can disrupt important things on Earth like our telecommunications and power grid system. And during minimum activity, the sun's magnetic field flips. Now, every 200 years or so, the sun goes through a grand minimum, which is when the sun's activity drops to extremely low levels. Number 4, the sun is getting weirder by the day. As I mentioned earlier, the sun goes through 11-year cycles of activity. But in recent years, scientists have noticed that the cycles are getting longer and longer. For example, the most recent cycle lasted for 13.5 years, which is the longest cycle since records began in 1859. Now, scientists don't really know why this is happening, but they think it might be because the sun's magnetic field is getting weaker. And number 5, the sun will one day explode. In about 5 billion years, our sun will run out of hydrogen fuel and it will start to collapse in on itself. And as it collapses, it will get smaller and denser. At the same time, the sun's core will get so hot that it will start to fuse elements like helium, carbon, and oxygen. And when it fuses these elements, it will release even more energy. And this will cause the sun to expand outward once again. And when it reaches its maximum size, it will be big enough to swallow the Earth. So in the end, our sun will destroy our planet, but it will also create the conditions for a new planet to form, and maybe one day life will begin again,